4 quick tips for getting started with your morning routine. Have you been mulling the idea of creating or reinventing your morning routine? The idea can be intriguing, with so many influencers counting the benefits of waking up early and creating a routine that eases you into your day. Although, morning routines can be daunting. Earlier alarms, countless rules, and guidelines about what you should and shouldn't do, and all that leads to more stress. Keep reading for 4 quick tips that will help put the do's and don'ts into focus. 1. Don't be rigid. Part of finding a new morning routine is finding what works for you. It's a good idea to learn about the morning routines of others, but you can play around with your routine and schedule until you find what works best for you. Morning routines are not one size fits all. There will also be mornings where you need to adjust your routine, and that is fine as well. Remember to honor your own needs. 2. Stick with it. Motivation may be what gets you started, but healthy habits will keep you on your routine. Make sure you are waking up the same time every morning and sticking to your routine. The longer you stick with it, the more your new routine will feel natural and will be something you just do. 3. Own your technology. Technology is an integral part of our lives. We use it daily. Many people will tell you not to look at your phone first thing in the morning. However, more than likely your phone is your alarm, and you're checking the weather before you roll out of bed. Find your own boundaries with technology, and feel free to move those boundaries as needed. You should also be honest with yourself and your use of technology, not only first thing in the morning, but throughout the day. 4. Prep work. Waking up in the morning with a plan in place and being able to navigate it is a result of prep work most of the time. Take a few minutes, or 30, every night to decide what you will be wearing, prep meals, or even get your morning necessities in the right spot. If you want to read a book first thing, make sure your book and blanket are waiting on the couch for you. You can also set out your favorite tea or coffee cup. Morning routines can be challenging to adjust to. They can also be a great start to your day. Just remember to give yourself time to adapt and find your own rhythm.